Hi everyone, it's me again Max. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're reviewing the APTOS coin, specifically their collaboration and private airdrop. First, let's talk about the coin, and then I'll show you how to get the airdrop into your wallet. They have a decent number of followers on Twitter and an active audience with high engagement under their posts. The project is constantly in touch with its community, sharing fresh news about the project and giveaways of prizes and tokens. You can follow the project here. On the website, we see that the project has long prospects. They are not going to stop there. The roadmap is scheduled for 2 years in advance. According to their tokenomics, the coins are locked for developers for at least 3 years, which is very good news. Since its launch, APTOS has attracted significant attention from the blockchain community. The innovative approach to solving the problem of cryptocurrency scaling has led many developers to port their dApps to this platform. This led to a significant increase in demand and a corresponding increase in its cost. The project was implemented competently, all wishes are taken into account, easily accessible long-term cooperation. I, as an experienced trader, am pleased to see how crypto projects show their best side. The site is designed very nicely, pleases the eye, very informative. Here you can read about the latest developments, what the company is based on and what it stands for. It can be noted that the project has a huge base. Behind this project are giant funds such as Binance, Businessweek, Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. Now let's look at the coin on CoinMarketCap. The site gives detailed information about any of the publicly available coins. It also contains information about the project, its financial system, the volume of capitalization, and the price of the coin itself. Let's look at the charts. We can see that the coin is in motion all the time. This is good. In general, we can distinguish that the growth is positive. I believe that this coin has great prospects that should not be missed. And now to the most interesting, and this is an airdrop as much as $500. As we can see, most of the coins have already been distributed, so it's worth hurrying up. Here is detailed information about the project. They announce $500 airdrop. There is a referral system. To receive, you need to connect to MetaMask. As you can see, I don't have APTOS coins on my balance. Now I will receive them. We strictly follow the conditions so that in which case we don't lose coins. First, we connect the wallet, then we wait for some time. Each waiting time can be different. I like to think positively, and I think that everything will pass quickly. Great, we connected our wallet. Now let's go to the wallet. The coins have been credited, which means they received the long-awaited $500 airdrop.